Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to showing the second image monitor. Chapter 1. Second monitor not showing up fix from settings. To start, click on the Start menu, then click on Settings. In the System section, click on Display. Now click on Multiple Displays. Then, in the line Detect Other Display, you can click Detect. Chapter 2. Second monitor not showing up fix from wireless screen. To start, click on the Start menu, then click on Settings. Here, go to the Bluetooth and Devices section, then click Add Device. After this, click on Wireless Display or Dock. Wait to see if it is detected. Chapter 3. Second monitor not showing up fix updating the driver. To begin, click on the Start menu, then click on Settings. Go to the Windows Update section. Here, click on Advanced Options. Then click on Optional Updates. You can check if there are updates for the screen. In addition to this, right-click on the Start menu. Now click on Device Manager. In the Display Adapter section, right-click on the driver. Select the Update Driver option. Then, click on Search automatically for drivers. Wait for the search to be carried out. Chapter 4. Second monitor not showing up fix reinstalling the driver. To start, right-click on the Start menu, then click on Device Manager. In the Display Adapter section, right-click on the driver. Select the Uninstall Device option. You must click on Uninstall. This will complete the task. After this, click on the Action menu. Here, click on Scan for hardware changes. You can see how the display recovers its state. Chapter 5. Second monitor not showing up fix reverting the driver. To start, right-click on the Start menu. Then, click on Device Manager. Now, in the Display Adapter section, double-click on the driver. Then in the Driver tab, confirm whether the Rollback Driver button is active. If so, click on it. Chapter 6. Second monitor not showing up fix downloading driver. To begin, enter MS-Info32 in the search. Click on System Information. Now go to Components. Here, click on Display. Note the driver version line. Then open any web browser, search for the respective driver to download it. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.